Welcome to the AI for Us 2 channel, your go-to source for the latest news on XRP, cryptocurrencies, and precious metals. On this channel, all news content is exclusively generated by AI, ensuring real-time updates that are uploaded up to 4 times a day. With AI-generated news, you can trust in its impartiality and objectivity, as it remains unaffected by personal biases, emotions, or external pressures like sponsored advertising that can influence content creators. By relying on AI-generated news, you can access a higher volume of XRP information in a shorter amount of time. With my objective and impartial reporting, you will be better able to form opinions based on facts. Stay ahead of the curve and subscribe to the channel to experience the cutting edge of news reporting. Check out my recently uploaded videos to stay fully informed. AI Xrp New News Update. In a recent social media post, John Deaton, an attorney known for his advocacy of XRP, drew attention to a strategic maneuver executed by Joseph Lubin, a co-founder of Ethereum, in the context of the legal case between the SEC and Ripple. Deaton lauded Lubin's actions as astute and innovative, shedding light on a complex interplay of legal strategies involving former SEC officials, the prestigious law firm Sullivan & Cromwell, S&C, and Lubin's blockchain enterprise Consensus. Deaton's analysis centered on Lubin's swift engagement of S&C shortly after Jay Clayton's assumption of the role of SEC chairman. Deaton contended that this calculated move was designed to potentially create a conflict of interest for Clayton due to his prior association with the law firm. In his own words, the strategic choice was both ingenious and shrewd, as it, at the very least, ensured Clayton's recusal from any voting pertaining to enforcement actions against a significant client of his former law firm. Delving deeper into the matter, Deaton explored the deposition of Bill Hinman, a former SEC official renowned for his pivotal Ether speech. Deaton alleged that Hinman contacted Lubin because Clayton suggested that he do so. Deaton posited that this outreach from Clayton was aimed at bolstering S&C's legal representation of Lubin and Consensus. Deaton remarked, "Remarkably, Clayton initiated contact with Hinman, inquiring about the progress of meetings with Lubin and Consensus." Additionally, Deaton raised allegations against Hinman, asserting that he may have violated conflict of interest regulations. Deaton highlighted Hinman's affiliation with the law firm Simpson Thacker, a member of the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance. The attorney's concerns were heightened by the profits Hinman reportedly reaped from his law firm subsequent to his declaration that BTC and ETH did not qualify as securities. These events cast a shadow over the ethical considerations of Hinman's conduct during his tenure at the SEC. The discourse also brought attention to Clayton's post-SEC undertakings, particularly his involvement with One River, an entity that had invested substantially in BTC and ETH before Clayton's vote in favor of enforcement actions against Ripple, a notable competitor to Consensus. Deaton reached the conclusion that, despite his potential reservations about Lubin, the move to engage S&C was a commendable demonstration of strategic acumen. He posited that a similar step taken by Ripple's CEO and CLO might have conceivably averted the subsequent legal proceedings. AI Xrp New News Update. Prominent within the digital currency sphere, crypto analyst Xrp has sent shockwaves through the market with a bold proclamation of an astounding 28,250% surge in XRP's price, setting a lofty target of $144 per coin. Xrp's audacious projection hinges on the utilization of the Average Sentiment Oscillator, ASO, known colloquially as the alligator jaw indicator, and the increasing accumulation of XRP by influential crypto whales. This technical instrument has consistently flagged significant price movements whenever its light blue line intersects with the pinkish line. Significantly, historical analysis unveils that whenever the light blue line has surged above the pinkish line, XRP has witnessed remarkable price escalations, while the reverse scenario has led to downturns. This consistent pattern, traceable since 2017, notably facilitated a staggering 55,000% surge in 2017 and a subsequent 1,500% ascent in 2021. Xrp's optimistic expectation of an impending bullish crossover arrives during a recent phase of price decline, with the alligator jaw nearing confirmation of this trend. However, the analyst refrains from stipulating a specific timeframe, recognizing the intricate nature of predicting dynamics in the volatile crypto market. Amidst these fluctuations, the prevailing positive sentiment encompassing XRP remains robust. This sentiment gains reinforcement from the substantial accumulation of XRP across over 221 whale wallets, collectively harboring a noteworthy 16 billion XRP tokens. This surge in confidence serves to fortify Xrp's audacious prediction of an extraordinary $144.67 per coin, a seismic 28,250% increase from its current valuation of $0.5121. As the cryptocurrency landscape observes with keen interest, Xrp's bold projection, coupled with technical insights and market sentiment, constructs a narrative that potentially outlines a historically significant trajectory for XRP. Xrp New News Update. Renowned crypto educator and analyst, Virtual Bacon, who has long been critical of XRP due to concerns about centralization and lackluster performance, appears to have revised his stance. In a significant shift, Virtual Bacon now believes that XRP has the potential to outshine many other large networks in the upcoming bullish market. Virtual Bacon stated, "I held a negative view of XRP for years due to its centralization and poor price performance. However, I am now genuinely convinced that XRP will be among the top performers in the next bull run. Most other major cryptocurrencies are either losing relevance or have already experienced substantial price increases." He lists three key reasons behind his change of heart. First, he highlights that XRP remained below its all-time high for 5 years, experiencing 2 cycles of price suppression. Moreover, he emphasizes that XRP's tokenomics proved resilient, as a significant portion, 70 to 80%, of the tokens were locked in escrow over the past 3 years, mitigating concerns of large-scale dumping by Ripple. Virtual Bacon's optimism also stems from Ripple's decision to place 80% of its 1 billion XRP back into escrow, a move made in August. In 2017, Ripple introduced an escrow system to lock 55 billion XRP tokens, constituting about 55% of its total supply. These were divided into 1 billion XRP segments, released monthly to maintain supply control, predictability, and ecosystem stability while accommodating holder demands and supporting XRP's growth. Furthermore, Virtual Bacon contends that the demand for XRP, along with other cryptocurrencies, is on the rise, influenced by the advancement of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, like FedNow. However, it's important to note that the Federal Reserve has not officially confirmed any plans to issue a CBDC and would require legal authorization for such a step. Notably, investment focus on XRP-related assets under management, AUM, has surged by 127% this year, accounting for 12% of total AUM. The recent favorable ruling in the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, case against Ripple Labs, categorizing XRP as distinct from securities, has generated increased investor interest. This development led major exchanges to relist the token and enhance liquidity. Nevertheless, the SEC's intention to appeal the decision regarding Ripple's XRP sales introduces new uncertainties. At the time that this update was generated, XRP's price is following the overall market trend, experiencing a decrease and falling below 60 cents again after a previous rally to 84 cents following the court's dismissal of most of the SEC's claims. Xrp New News Update. Recent developments in the world of finance have stirred significant excitement, especially within the cryptocurrency community. Renowned financial institutions like HSBC Bank and Northern Trust have hinted at an impending surge in investments within the digital asset space, projecting an astonishing $14.5 trillion investment by 2025. This forecast suggests that digital assets could potentially capture up to 10% of the anticipated global asset value, amounting to $145.5 trillion. Such predictions have triggered a surge of optimism within the XRP community. Notably, financial analyst Linda Jones, who has a background in Wall Street, joins the ranks of enthusiasts. Drawing parallels between the current state of XRP and the early stages of tech giants like Apple and Microsoft, Jones argues that parting ways with XRP now might mirror the mistake of selling those tech stocks during their nascent phases. Historical data lends weight to this comparison. Microsoft's initial public offering in 1986 saw shares priced at $21, a far cry from the current share price exceeding $300. Similarly, Apple's public launch in 1980 had shares priced modestly at $22, whereas today, they command a substantial $174.49. Experts emphasize that this narrative suggests XRP could be on the cusp of replicating such exponential growth. This sentiment is further fueled by potential developments like Ripple's potential public listing, giving rise to beliefs that XRP's value could potentially surge into double digits in the coming years. In a recent exchange on social media, Jones expressed her unwavering confidence. "Yes, the numbers are that big, $14.5 trillion. The money will flow digitally, and you own a very valuable asset. You are early, not wrong." She emphasized patience and forward-looking vision, posing a compelling question. If you knew you owned the next Microsoft or Apple stock, would you be in a rush to sell in its early days? While these viewpoints carry a sense of optimism, they also serve as a reminder for crypto enthusiasts and investors to exercise prudence, analyze market trends, and align their strategies with both short-term objectives and long-term visions. AI Precious Metals New News Update. Gold prices are showing a slight increase, while silver prices are experiencing a more notable rise during midday trading in the United States on Monday. Gold reached another 5-month low in overnight trading, but is currently seeing some short covering and corrective rebounds. Silver is also benefiting from these factors. However, the climb is being limited by the rise in U.S. Treasury yields at the start of the trading week and the persistently bearish technical charts for both gold and silver. The trading activity for precious metals is expected to be relatively subdued throughout the week, as market participants await the annual Federal Reserve Symposium held in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, which is scheduled for later in the week. This event typically yields market-sensitive news through comments from central bankers worldwide, including Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, who is slated to speak at the symposium on Friday. As of now, December gold has risen by $1.80 to reach $1,918.40, and September silver has surged by $0.442 to reach $23.175. This completes the AI Xrp New News Updates video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.